Yeah, you know what it is. Dipping in the whip, you know, through the streets of West Baltimore. Currently on North Ave, for real. On our west side, shit, you dig? Chillin' with my man. Of course, you already know the CEO of Excitement 101 magazine.
You already know.
Man, Rel in the background, where you at?
Real.
Or I'm about to say literally, like, where you at? Fat answers a little bit. Let me start geeking for real. I'm on my 92Q shit right now, doing all this talking, but hit y'all with a quick little freestyle, you dig? Wanted to be when you grow up and all that good shit. If you got big dreams and aspirations, just put it together. Motivation, the money is the motivation. That's why I'm sitting back every day contemplating. Man, I'm tired of waiting, sitting on the sidelines. Like, man, I'm too fried, smoke too many dimes. But just chilling with my man, and niggas still thinking about getting cream that way. The good way, not the bad way. Talk to my cousin today from down in VA. Okay, that's my little name, Kareem. And nowadays, shit ain't always what it seems. Niggas ain't even trying to hit them streets. I'm like, yeah, that's what's up. Tell them niggas what's up. About to go home and probably roll up a Dutch and eat me some seafood salad and start wildin'. But my mind is still on the money, man. It's still on the money, and it's still my motivation. The money is my inspiration, and it's my motivation. Money is my inspiration and my motivation. So I tell you now, man, I'm chillin' with Be Calm and chill back, dog. Vietnam, hot as a motherfucker, man. 100 degrees, and I told y'all I'll be straight burning these MCs, please. Tell them something, bro.
I'm always on that chase. Not afraid, never the scared, just running a race. When I'm in, it's sorta like a turtle race. Cause I'm the rabbit that beats the turtle, so goddamn it's a disgrace. It ain't nothing, I'm always trying to get paper anyway. 24/7, 365 days a year, nigga, you hear me, I'm in here. Came back out of this bitch and I told him I was going to do it. It wasn't nothing, cause money, my motivation has been in my fluid. So don't get me wrong when I do it, how I do it. Cause when I do it, I got to make some good moves with it. Yeah, I'm in here with Brian and B and Dolo and everybody that calling on me. So I'ma be the general and do what I got to do with ease. You know what it is, man. It's the king of the beats, the king of the throne. The castle is mine. Where I lay my hat is my home. I'm on my own throne. In perfect time. Don't get me mixed up, fucked up my mind. I'm back, nigga. I gotta shine. You know what it is. The kid is back. Gots to be that nigga, man. Definitely about that paper. Yes, sir. Paper. Always, definitely. Annihilate haters. Discriminate fakers. Only real niggas. We call them fucking regulators. Goddamn, the motherfucking penitentiary couldn't penetrate us. Goddamn, I'm still in this bitch saying, goddamn, I got to get this paper. Pass it to Be Calm and let him drop the bomb.
Run it back.
As I do this, I think about what's going on. Every day, all day, till the early morn. Cracking in the house, and you know I'm just up here struggling. All on my own. Shout out to Homegrown. Excitement 101 magazine. Doing this shit for free. And you know I just like to stay fucking clean. And you know I don't even like to be mean. I'm more relaxed, I sit back and chill. chill. Tryna get these ladies on my motherfucking sex appeal. As I look into your eyes, girl, realize I ain't never a surprise. I coming through you and you never know what's on my mind. But baby, guess what? I got a short time. Right now I gotta be about my business. And you know all my homeboys is my witness. Yeah, gotta go and get this
paper.
So come on and get with this.
Get the paper with, let's get the paper. Come on everybody, let's get the paper. Let's get the paper. We paper chasers, money makers, never fakers. I be blowing like I live in Jamaica. Like fucking come outside with a blunt, like what the fuck you want? I ain't got time to pull stunts. Matter of fact, I'm trying to save me some money. I ain't even going the front. Kick it like a punt on a fucking fourth down. Got no time for clowns. That's why when I come around, I chillin' with my niggas from excitement. Chicks know they like it. Out the park, dirt bikes, kid. All you hear is four-wheelers and drug dealers. Never sitting around squealers. Fucking around shit strong like 18-wheelers. Going through a brick wall. I ain't got no time for y'all. I ain't got no time to stall. Cause time is money and money is time. So I'ma sit down with the Dutch and break down the dime. So nigga just need to collect thoughts. Just bring them shits together. Cause me and my niggas stick together like clouds and rainy weather. It's about the paper, nothing ever else seemed to be more important except for family. Yeah, I'm just sitting here talking about this from me to you and from you to me. I hope you understand the words that I'm saying clearly, cause daily I feel it in my heart. I feel it in my heart. Me and the money can never go apart. The paper, it's all about the paper. Be calm, bro.
Yeah, man, you know what it is.
D-Cash is all about the cash. You already know. Let me know when it's time for us to get the paper, you feel me? Matter of fact, I think it's about now, you heard me. You'll see us.